Hey guys, this is another ClickFix video. I'm Laura and I'm going to show you how to use a multi-step share code, which is very useful because it allows you to save your users' email or any other data that you need without them actually having to complete a purchase or to complete a multi-step form. So I created here in the Entrepreneur Page Builder two blocks. So the first block only has an email field and the second block has credit card information, just as if they were going to make a purchase. So I'm going to show you how I'm using my code. So the first step is that I'm hiding the second block with this ID. So if you want to figure out your block IDs, you can use the ClickFix Chrome extension. So if you have it installed and you go to your publish page, then you can highlight the block IDs to check for that ID. So yeah, I hit that block and then I added the multi-step share code. So what this code does is that it stops Entrepreneur's automatic redirection when a user submits a form in a certain block, which is this block. And then it triggers a link that you have to create to do an action. So here's my action. So if anchor step 2, which is this one, then it's going to hide the first block and it's going to show the second block. And we use the redirect share code to also take us to that second block. And the last part of my share code is that I added the sync fields email so that Entrepreneur saves the user's email, which is the field that I'm interested in, without them actually having to finish the purchase. For this, I added the email as a hidden field on the second block. So if you go to form settings and you scroll to the bottom, you can add your hidden fields, in this case email and usage. So it is pretty simple. If we refresh the page and we type an email like this and we submit, it's going to take us to the next block, and at the same time it's going to save that contact's information so that you can keep the contact email. So here I have a more complex example. This is one of our templates from the ClickFix library, and we created two blocks, so it's just one multi-step form but with two steps. So first is the shipping step and then the upgrade step. So in the first step, the user types their name, their last name, their email, and the shipping address, and when they click on submit, it's going to take them to the second step, which is to add the credit card number and to actually make the purchase. But a lot of users don't end up making the purchase, but at least you can save their emails when you use the multi-step share code. So I hope that you use this share code in your Entrepreneur pages, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.